Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, heated mirrors, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, rear defrost, climate control automatic, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.